Hi guys, I wanted to show you the Turrican II AGA version running on my CD32. I just bought it today and yeah, as I told you last time, my Amiga works perfectly now, so I can play whenever I want. As you can see, I'm playing it on original CD32 controller because I don't have nothing else. I don't have any controller which you could connect with USB, so for now it has to do, but it's pretty convenient and yeah, it's okay. So as you can see, the game is running. Yeah, I love the music, yeah. And the AGA version is the one it should have always been, but it wasn't. So I'm very happy that the part of the PC version is done, and yeah, and it's good to